We always take care of our face skin and hardly take care of underarm skin. And do you know that underarm skin, if it's smooth and clear, it gives you a lot of confidence. Confidence to wear anything, confidence to go on a beach, confidence to raise your arms, confidence to sleep fully. And if you want this confidence, you have to have a clear and smooth underarm. Today we will be discussing about how to get a smooth and clear underarms and get rid of the darkness. Side by side, I'm going to tell you certain creams that you can apply and that can give you good results. So let's jump into the topic right now. I'm Dr. Nitin Verma. I am a certified dermatologist and a laser surgeon. Number one step in underarm smoothening is do not ignore any kind of itchiness, rashes or flakiness of the skin. Whenever you feel that there is some itching, do not ignore it because it could be a sign of infection. Underarms is a very sensitive area. It is a kind of humid area and heated area where the organism gets chance to grow. Bacterial infection, fungal infection or any kind of dermatitis can easily grow. Whenever there is a concern, do visit a dermatologist and get it treated ASAP as soon as possible. Second point is most of the people do this mistake. They scrub their underarms. Underarm skin is a sensitive skin. Never scrub it. No weekly scrubbing, no daily scrubbing, nothing. It has to be treated very gently because scrubbing might irritate the skin, might produce some micro-inflammations, micro-abrasions, which may further lead to pigment production. You are trying to whiten your skin, but it is going to darken up. As in the second step, I told you, do not use physical exfoliant. In the third step, you always have to use a chemical exfoliant to remove the dead skin. It can be glycolic acid, salicylic acid and lactic acid. All these three acids you can use in various forms. You can have some underarm peeling sessions or at home you can use some glycolic acid or lactic acid wipes which are easily available in the market. You can do it alternate day at home, and if you go for underarm peeling session, you can go for weekly peeling session or 2 weeks apart you can go for a peeling session. Glycolic, lactic and salicylic acid remove superficial dead layers of the skin. It helps in killing the bacteria and the fungus. Side by side, it stimulates new skin formation so that the fresh skin can come up. And after the exfoliation, always moisturize your skin. Do not forget to moisturize underarm. And the fourth point is never forget to use a shaving cream while shaving underarms. Do not shave on a dry skin because it creates micro abrasions and micro inflammation will be there, which may further lead to pigmentation, and then you will be in trouble. Either use a good sensitive skin shaving cream or you can use aloe vera gel. Now let's come to the fifth part, that is you can use some creams to lighten and smoothen underarm. You can use light arm cream which contains glycolic acid. You can use it daily on a regular basis. It has some moisturizer also. It will moisturize the skin also. Side by side you can use eflornithine, which will reduce the rate at which the hair grows. Suppose your underarm hair grows in 2 weeks, with that cream it will grow in 4 weeks. And the sixth point is you can use weekly retinols also. Every Saturday night you can try some retinol serum or a retinol cream, and followed by that you can apply some moisturizer. So it will help in good exfoliation of the underarm area, especially the people who have rough and uneven underarm. I suggest once in a week use retinol underarms. Let's come to the next point. If the pigmentation in your underarms is too much, then you can opt for laser pigmentation reduction. For underarm area, you have to go to a dermatologist. Various lasers are there, like we switched to ND-YAG laser or Pico lasers. Within 3 sessions, you're going to find a drastic change in the underarm skin. It will get more shiny, more brighter, and pigmentation is definitely going to be lighter. Ninth part is if you have thick coarse hair underarms, you can opt for a permanent laser hair reduction. And it is a very easy procedure, pain-free procedure, and all the laser works very good, especially underarms, because the hairs are quite thick in that area, and the more thick the hair is, the more effective the laser is. And you'll get a good smooth skin because with laser, the hair root get disintegrated, and on that area new collagen formation also takes place, and the skin becomes more smooth, more shiny, more healthier. Like you take care of the face skin, please do not forget to take care of your underarm skin, because smooth, shiny and hair-free underarms will definitely gonna give you a lot of confidence. If you get some value from this video, please do like and subscribe. This is Dr. Nitin Verma signing off. Thanks a lot. Thank you.